Hello friends, today we're in store for a very special episode. We're going to be showing how to make two Power BI maps, one using zip codes and one using a heat map. Maps are fairly easy to make in Power BI, but difficult to navigate the settings. We're going to show you easy ways to get started and level up your dashboard today. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joe Zeppelin, Microsoft MVP and small business coach based here in Florida. Our goal today is going to be making two Power BI maps, zip codes and heat maps. To start off, I put a link in the description below to the data set we're going to be using. It's from Kaggle.com. Kaggle is my favorite website for free data sets. All you have to do is enter your email and you have access to numerous data sets that people input. Today is going to be 2022's population data from the US Census. Obviously, to make a visual based on zip codes has to be one of your columns. So our columns today are population, gender, zip code, city, and state. Now I've already made a small table on the right side which shows which zip codes have the highest population, but as you can see, somewhere in Illinois, Texas, New York, it doesn't really show how densely populated the US is. So let's go ahead and navigate to the fields column and click zip code and population. As you can see, the visual was automatically populated, but let's be honest, it's a little difficult to read. The East Coast is filled, center of the country not so filled, and then you have Washington and California pretty densely populated. So let's go ahead and navigate to the visualization pane to see how we can make our visual more useful. Go ahead and click this little paintbrush here, and then under map settings, if you hit this drop down, you can choose the map style you want. There are 5 map styles in Power BI. The visuals default to road, which allows you to see streets and highways in your area. The other main option is aerial, which allows you to look more into the landscape of your visual. Lastly is dark, light, and grayscale. These just allow you to see the most basic version of the map. I recommend matching these to your theme. Next, let's move on to controls. If you've tried to click around your visual, you might see it's kind of hard to zoom in and zoom out on the map. These control tabs here are going to help you navigate. Auto zoom allows you to click on a separate visual and your map changes accordingly. So let's go ahead and click Chicago. As you can see, it filters in just to that specific zip code, and if you click it again, it zooms out to include the whole visual. Next, for greater control, turn on your zoom buttons. What this does is puts a plus and minus sign in the top right corner. You can use this instead of using the scroll bar on your mouse. Lastly, one super cool new addition to Power BI is this lasso. The lasso allows you to click an area, highlight and drag, and the rest of your visuals filter accordingly. This is incredibly powerful if you're looking at regions of the country rather than just one specific zip code. Next is bubble size. As you can see, our zip codes are highly overlapping because of their size. So let's go ahead and move that all the way to the left to have a better visual to look at. And now you can go ahead and zoom in on an area to see how densely populated it is. So that's one visual down, one to go. Now we're going to make our heat map. To do that, let's just copy and paste the map we already have. Select the map, right click, press copy, and then copy visual. Then go ahead and press Ctrl V to paste. Now we're going to go ahead and want to drag that to the right side. Let's select the new map, go to the visualization pane, and turn on heat map. This can be incredibly useful if you're a marketing company deciding where to market next and where your customers reside. Lastly, a little bonus tip, if you want to get extra fancy, you can actually click your zip code map and add pie charts within each bubble. To do this, just add a legend, and here you can see the makeup of males and females in a specific zip code. I recommend using these pie charts when you have a subsection you want to compare within an area. For instance, percentage of sales by sales rep would be perfect for this type of visual. And fantastic job, you now know how to make a zip code map and a heat map in Power BI. As a friendly reminder, I do go live fairly often to answer your Power BI questions. So make sure you hit that bell there. When I'm online, you get a notification. Let's work these things out together. Welcome to the Startup Squad, and as all things, start small, start today. I'll see you in the next video.